Hello, my name is Alina Sapa. I'm 16 years old. I have a disability called childhood apraxia of speech. My apraxia was diagnosed when I was a toddler, between 3 and 4 years old. I have been working with a speech therapist since I was 2. I have experienced many challenges due to my apraxia. Some include misunderstandings with communication, feeling unheard and alone, being the victim of bullies, and many embarrassing and frustrating situations with friends, family, and acquaintances. I would like to help other children that might be in similar situations. I want others with hidden disabilities to understand that they are not alone. I am starting an organization called Young Able Voices. Young Able Voices will help kids that are trying to get through each day while feeling alone and unheard. If you or you know someone that might benefit from a peer-to-peer support group for their hidden disability, please check out my website, www.youngablevoices.com, and click on the weekly chat button. I look forward to meeting you soon. I can also be reached at my email, alina@youngablevoices.com.